AEC is the market leader in auxiliary equipment. Our granulators have proven to be rugged, reliable, and dependable. With 3 base models to meet your processing needs, the FX family of beside-the-press granulators seamlessly integrate into any molding or extrusion process for optimal scrap reduction. The FX family of granulators gives users a trio of dynamic options based on customer part size and throughput requirements. These models process a variety of material, including blow-molded bottles, electrical connectors, sprue pieces, and extruded profiles. The FX beside-the-press granulators offer superior maintenance access, application flexibility, and enhanced safety without sacrificing durability or performance. The AEC FX series models provide direct access to the screen cradle, cutting chamber and drive components. Access to the screen cradle and rotor is wide open. Cleaning and knife changes can be completed quickly with minimal effort. A linear actuator on the hopper of the FX 1600 series and a gas spring-assisted hopper on the FX 1000 series facilitates easy access. An improved discharge seal minimizes any regrind leakage. A larger discharge bin gives you more uptime, and the viewing window allows you to monitor bin level without shutting down the machine. Optimal viewing windows on the hopper offer the opportunity to watch material being processed. This gives you the ability to gauge how full the cutting chamber is and verify consistent material flow without having to shut the machine down. The FX series is available in tangential or offset chamber configurations. The tangential design accommodates larger volume parts through a smaller machine. The offset design is intended for thicker-walled and long-profile components. The equipment is configured to offer flexibility in sizing the chamber to meet your exact production needs. The AEC FX family of granulators is extremely versatile and flexible. The equipment can be set up with a variety of customizable options, including multiple hopper designs and discharge solutions for specific system and application needs. Enhancements in the AEC FX beside-the-press granulators have made these machines one of the most safeguarded in the industry today. Users cannot access the chamber while the rotor is spinning. The Category 3 safety circuit includes 2 sets of redundant interlock contacts, short-circuit protection, and safety-rated components. The hopper and discharge bins have solenoid-activated locks, ensuring access to the chamber is fully secured during operation. Maximum sound suppression and reduced noise levels are achieved with full machine sound enclosure. Consistent regrind is achieved by using a rugged knife assembly with precise tolerance in the AEC FX series granulators. With the heavy-duty rotor construction, the rotating knives are fixed, allowing adjustment to take place at the bed knife. AEC is the market leader in auxiliary equipment, offering granulators with proven performance. The beside-the-press FX family of granulators continues the reputation of durability and industry-leading structural integrity. As the pioneer in granulators, this series produces exceptional regrind quality that yields a higher percentage of usable material. To see how the beside-the-press FX family of granulators can be customized to your production line and application, contact your AEC representative or visit www.aecplastics.com.